And the last one right here, yeah, I get 4 of it. And the last one of it is your Tenshumaru. Ooh, this is a nice one. And it still has like a head of dinosaur at the front. Is it in the front? Yeah, in the front part. I don't know if it can transform into a dinosaur. It's like a pterodactyl. And the final front is called Sho. Yeah, that character right there. And also it has its rear and front designs of our unit. And this is your Tenshumaru. Yeah. And yeah, again, you can see me that I have no such or not so many details that I know for this one. Because yeah, I like the designs. I like it. And also it's like a way to clear my burnout if I will get a burnout on Gunpla building and some other works that I have right here on my man cave. Yeah. So yeah, this will be like an emergency kit for me. Still a kit, an emergency kit to heal my burnout next time. Oh, so this is it. And yeah, there are 4. And yeah, again, they will have their own unboxing. And after the unboxing, again, the new format, they will have a showcase. Okay, a kit showcase. Not a Gunpla showcase, but a kit showcase because they're not Gunpla. But still a plastic model or a plastic model showcase or just a kit showcase. It's much better. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. And please hit that notification bell to inform for next videos. Okay, that's it. And thank you so much. So, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off and Grandpa Show signing off. Oh, you're so nice, man. Yeah, I like it. Okay, that's it. And peace out. Bye.